Now this is the video demo of our website.
So this is the homepage of our website. Here we are also showing the latest sports news and the feature videos. Moving forward, we have About Us page where the details about the website is shown. Next, we have a search page where we can search the upcoming matches of a particular team based on the different categories like boys division, girls division. Moving forward, we have schedule page where the schedule of all the matches are displayed. Next, we have result page where all the result of the past matches are displayed. Next, we have a hotel page where we can book a hotels for all the teams participating in the tournament. By clicking on the book hotel, we are redirected to the hotel page where all the hotels nearby are displayed. Next, we have a map page. We show the location of our stadium. We can also zoom the location if we want. Next, we have the rule page where all the rules regarding the tournament are displayed based on the different categories. Next, we have a apply page where the coaches or a teams and a referee can register. By clicking on this registration form, the coaches and the team can register for a team. Next, referee can also register for himself. This is the form of a referee. Next, we have a sponsor page where all the sponsors are displayed. Next, we have a hamburger menu option where we can move to the desired page and we can search for all the upcoming matches of the teams. So this is our login page. So now we will log in as a coach. So this is the profile page for a coach. And all the functionalities or all the facilities are displayed as per the coach profile. Now, if if the coach want to generate an invite, he can't invite to any other role because coach belongs to the lowest point in the hierarchy. Also, we will move to the schedule page. Here, there is no edit option for the coach. This functionality is only provided to the tournament director. And also in the result page, he can't edit the result of the matches because this functionality is provided to the tournament director. So now we will show you by login. So this is the login logout functionality. Now we will again log in as a tournament director. So this is the profile page for the tournament director and all the functionality regarding his roles are displayed. Now we will click on the generate invite button where he can generate an invite for each and every role because he is the top among the hierarchy. Now we will move to the schedule page. As tournament director have the right to edit the schedule, here the edit schedule option is displayed, which was absent in the coach profile. Also, the tournament director can edit the result of the matches. So he can edit the match result like here. So we will now go to the last matches where he will change the result. So by clicking on this, we can see that the result got updated. So this is our website that we have